I'm Vincent with Novix. So during the hackathon, we worked on a solution called Novix Pay. It's a payment gateway powered by Expo 2. This solution allows AI agents, users, businesses to get paid with USDC on on a on a HTTP protocol. So we took what Base had done with Expo 2, and then we decided to bridge that to Etherlink to make the settlement and payments workable on Etherlink. So in this case, we're going to show you how a business can get paid. So here we have a business called Shonen Executives. So it's able to manage their subscriptions on this platform. So whereby they can just have users pay for their subscription either in a recurrent manner or just in a one-time manner. So to simulate a use case, we have this professional plan that needs to be paid. So we can just copy that, and then we have something like this. So this is the user, they have shared with them a link. So this link, they can be able to pay for the subscription. So what happens here with X02, we are able to set up this transaction, and maybe the signature is generated and the payment is made. So with this, we can, if we come back here, we will see that a payment has been made of $29. So with this, we can be able to empower businesses to make these payments. So another thing for AI agents is that we have been able to make it possible to for AI agents to pay for transaction or access to files or documents. So here we have an example of a link we have been able to have. So you can just come here and access a certain file like this. Then we paste the link. So this link is an endpoint on our backend that calls an X42 to access this premium file on behalf of this agent. So we can just do that. This AI agent is going to pay for this transaction, so hence creating a gateway. So as you can see, we have access to this file. So if we try to open it, we get this. Another thing we've been able to do is enable users to be able to make instant payments to whoever they want. So maybe, for example, we want to pay our friend like $5. So I want to pay my friend like maybe 10 USD. Wallet address is this. So we just copy this address, we just paste it there. So what it's going to do, it's going to generate a link. So this link, we're going to pick it. We're going to pick this link. So once we pick this link, we're going to make this payment for this transaction. So we can just pay it this same way. So behind the scenes, this is what's going on. So like for that transaction we just did a while ago, for the access of the documents, so this is what happened. We received this payment payload on Etherlink network, a signature that was signed by the AI agent, and also for payment for the access to the document, and then we get a settlement. That's how we get paid. So it's an easier way of making payments on HTTP on Etherlink protocol. So hence creating an environment whereby we can bring Stripe to Web3. Yeah. Thank you.